Well, today we replaced that one. That thing failed about, what would you say, John, about 6 months ago? About 6 months ago. So now we go about putting another one in. Okay, he's going to disconnect the clip there. All right. Okay, we got that. You can close the door a little bit now, Johnny. I don't want to get too dark. Okay, once he got all that stuff loose, we taped on a piece of shoelace so we could pull it through that hole that goes to the outside. And I wish the focus would stay there. There we go. Oh. Okay, so now we're going to go and remove the camera, the dome. Just don't drop it. You'll never find that Allen wrench. Put it in and just loosen it up. See, this is a security one, so he's got an Allen screw. He's got a release. Loosen it up. And then he can take it down. Okay, now. Okay, he's got the 3 set screws loosened on that ring. Now go ahead and twist it down, Johnny. Now careful now, the camera's going to want to drop. Alright. Here, all over that. There you go. There you go. Let's see what we got here. You might have to push it through as you're doing it on the other side. Okay, hold it. That's what it's doing. Okay, go ahead, pull a little bit, Johnny. Go ahead. Go ahead, pull it. Let me pull this way a little bit, John. Hold it. Yeah, it's probably hooked up on. Okay, let's see. Okay, go ahead. Pull. Grab the cord to pull. Pull. Oh. Okay, go ahead. Careful, you pull the cord out. Don't pull too hard. You work, finagle it a little bit. Okay, he got it through finally. Had to take this thing off to reach in there because there's all kinds of garbage. Yeah. All right, now I just got to take that plate off. Yeah, just take her off, John, and we put the other plate up there. Okay. Okay, here's the camera we got. This is about 40 bucks on Amazon. It's for multiple, can handle multiple DVRs. But looks just like the other one. Fun trying to do this one-handed. There we go. Done. This is out. Done. Put that box over here. And there's the new one with the cord. It's got power cord and the video cord and this little dip switches so you can use it on multiple cameras. Let me see here. Sorry about that, but see, multiple. Hold it. Multiple cameras. There you go. See? Just by flipping them different analog DVRs, I mean. And so that'll go in its place. It wasn't too easy. We really had to tear things apart to get that thing done. Okay, we're done. You'll see we got that all tucked up there. We couldn't finish all the filming here because it was real fun to get it through, and your insulation might be different. And I know the wiring we're eventually going to put in the wall when we remodel this room, but right now we got the cables there for now. It works. But it was hard getting it through there because of the big ends. But it's through, it's tested, working, and I'll go outside. We got it in. Okay, look at that, beautiful, huh? And that caulking you see is because there's little holes there for where the cable can run instead of, we have it hidden under the base. But we don't want bugs and stuff in there, bees. So we covered it up. That's good enough. It works like a charm. Beautiful. I mean, you couldn't even tell that it wasn't done by a professional.